wiki.easybib.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best amp wiring kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. If you can afford it, the Rockford Fosgate RFK series is worthy of the brand's great reputation. It's configured to route current from 2 power amplifiers at once, and unlike some, it's accurately sized to the American standard. It includes both distribution boxes and benefits from exceptional quality control. However, it is one of the most costly options. At number 9, sold in 1.0 as well as 8-gauge versions, the InstallGear softtouch is easy to work with and features nearly pro-level performance at a remarkably low cost. Depending on your selection, it comes with either an ANL or AGU fuse receptacle. It's true to its AWG rating and includes moderate quality terminals, but it's not long enough for large cabin speakers. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Built for systems of 2200 watts and below, the soundbox ECK4 is one of the least expensive to utilize a reliable cylindrical fuse holder. Its 17-foot-long copper-plated aluminum cables are just enough for smaller applications. It includes an 80-amp fuse and a triple-shielded RCA interconnect. However, the wires aren't quite for AWG. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybib.com. Go there now and search for amp wiring kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, with different models for almost any level of upgrade, the Neewer Truspec boasts top-tier materials that won't pick up interference or break down over time. It costs more than most, but the reliability and build quality are worth it to those who demand the best. It's safe at up to 1000 continuous watts, and a 0-gauge multi-amp setup is also available, but it doesn't include an RCA cable. Moving up our list to number 6. The knukonceptz Colossus Fleks is a massive 0-gauge set ideal for high-end installations. Twisted from the purest copper on the market and tinned for protection from the elements, it's great for any project on land or at sea. It's sold in a dual-amp configuration, using top-quality materials and machining. It supports extremely high power levels. Halfway up our list at number 5. Capable of storing a considerable amount of energy, the Rockville Dual Meter gives you direct insight into its status at any moment with 2 bright displays. The actual wiring is billed as audiophile grade, thanks in part to its double-shielded construction. It features a capacitor rated at 50 farads, a heavy-duty body and connectors, and a sleek chrome and gloss black finish. At number 4, with a fit and finish designed to look good in any engine bay, the knukonceptz KCA is a moderately priced way to push up to a few thousand watts to your speakers. Its gold-plated terminals resist corrosion, plus they're a little bit more flashy than the rest. It comes with a durable and flexible insulation, an oxygen-free copper RCA cable, and an 80-amp inline fuse. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Made to keep heavy bass from straining your electrical system, the Rockville RSC50F is built around a 50 farad capacitor that mitigates headlight dimming current spikes. It operates in the 10 to 16 volt range, and it's pretty well priced for such a powerful unit. It boasts a bright LED voltage readout and a built-in surge protection circuit, plus it automatically sleeps at low volumes. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybib.com. Go there now and search for amp wiring kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, an effective solution for the majority of aftermarket installations, the InstallGear Complete lives up to its claim of 4-gauge width and is protected from surges over 100 amps. It's also available bundled with everything needed for a distribution block setup. It's made with copper-clad aluminum and comes with 4 terminal pairs. It's among the most affordable choices too. And taking the top spot on our list, popular among car audiophiles as well as the average driver, the new England Providore Oversized is well worth its relatively high cost. It's one of the few to actually back up its thickness claims, and it's even constructed of pure oxygen-free copper. It's available from 1/0 to 8 AWG and features an above-average length of 20 feet. It can handle an impressive 7,500 watts. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybib.com. Go there now and search for amp wiring kits, or simply click beneath this video.